This is an Allen Bradley Panelview plus 7 HMI. The catalog number is 2711P-B7C22D9P, with P is for performance. This video will be about the two important passwords this HMI has. The first one is the desktop access password, which all Allen Bradley Panelview plus 7 standard and performance HMIs have. It will allow us to access the HMI window desktop. This is the HMI configuration screen. To access the HMI window desktop, hit exit. And now enter the desktop access password. If we don't know the password, there are two ways to reset it. First, cancel. Please note this reset button only power cycles the HMI. It will not reset any password. To reset the desktop access password, we need to go to terminal settings and then go to desktop access setup. And then press reset password. We will need to enter challenge response. If we don't know the challenge response either, the only option now is to factory reset or factory default the HMI. From the HMI configuration screen, now let's go to the HMI window desktop. Let's enter the desktop access password. Enter. Then enter again. This is the desktop for Allen Bradley Panelview plus 7 performance HMIs. It is a bit different from the standard ones. The second password we are talking about is the administrator password, which is only required on the Panelview plus 7 performance HMIs. It is required to work on or to make any changes on the HMI desktop. For example, if we need to turn on remote client access, VNC, or if we need to turn on ping response, we will need to enter the administrator password. If we don't have the administrator password, the only option we will have is to factory reset or factory default the HMI. To do it while the HMI is powered up, we will need a paper clip. To push this button right here. factory default. Yes. Please note that this will wipe out everything on the HMI. It is highly recommended to back up or save everything on the HMI to a USB thumb drive before doing this. That will be it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful and you like the content of my channel, please like, share and subscribe. A separate thanks at the lower right corner is also a great way to show your support to my channel. Thank you.